information technology is the driving force for social and economic change. Indeed, our strategy for inclusive economic growth can only be achieved by leveraging the technology tools available to us. Already, we have seen the benefits of using technological tools to fight corruption and reduce leakages and inefficiencies in public service delivery. For us, technology in public service delivery is no longer a luxury. I therefore request that you all continue to partner with government at all levels to ensure the benefits of this tool is realized and at the same time its threats are eliminated.
We, the IT professionals, commend you for the immense and giant strides that your administration has made and is still making in nation building. Within the space of the past 4 years, you have achieved a lot, deepening IT in Nigeria due to the realization that ICT is a tool for empowerment of Nigerians and eradicating poverty. I wish to assure His Excellency that relevant agencies such as NIDA, NOTAP, BPE, and other professionals in the IT sector will continue to cooperate and collaborate with one another to move our dear nation to the next level.